In this video, you'll learn about the energetic functions of the urinary system, plus the gemstones that support its vitality. As a reminder, the urinary system consists of the kidneys, the ureter, the urethra, and the bladder. The urinary system serves an important physical function. It filters the blood and removes certain wastes. The kidneys regulate water levels, blood pressure, pH, and the production of red blood cells, vitamin D, and certain hormones. Energetically, the urinary system serves three purposes. 1. To keep toxins moving on a journey out of the body so that they don't collect inside of it. 2. To relieve energy stagnation and toxic buildup by encouraging energy movement, and to filter out the bad and unwanted. Both physically and energetically, this system continuously maintains physical balance or homeostasis. When negative, disharmonious, or unwanted energies are present, the body naturally wants to collect and contain them in order to protect itself. The urinary system keeps them moving so that the body can release as many as possible. Only the energies that have been filtered out are collected. These collections could damage, weaken, or alter the physical tissues nearby if it weren't for the energetic function of the body's filtration system. Importantly, the filtration also removes the vitality from these energies, leaving them essentially lifeless. They should be harmless, like the ashes left over from a fire. When the body's filtration system doesn't work properly, these collections retain some life energy, and because it's inherently of a low vibration, it can be damaging and contribute to inflammation, pain, or even malignancy. The vitalizing gemstones for the urinary system are blue-green fluorite with carnelian and citrine. We've combined them in ideal ratios to create a formula we call Living River. Blue-green fluorite's energy promotes flexibility, overcomes stagnancy, and allows energies to flow as they should. This makes it especially nourishing and vitalizing to the urinary system. Carnelian vitalizes the sacral chakra. When combined with blue-green fluorite, it helps move the body's energies downward. This supports the healthy direction of energy movement in the urinary system, down and out the body. Finally, citrine provides a natural unwinding action, which supports the decongestion of stagnant energy, typical with urinary system dysfunction. You can benefit from wearing these three gemstones together when you want to vitalize your urinary system and associated organs, such as the kidneys. Overcome underlying imbalances that feed urinary tract infections. Clear energy stagnancies that can lead to incontinence, constipation, enlarged prostate, vaginitis, hemorrhoids, irregular urination, menstrual cramps, uterine fibroids, poor libido, and certain fertility issues. Wearing the Living River formula balances and supports energy flows that move down the body. This relieves excess energy in your upper body that can contribute to lung congestion, sinus pressure, poor digestion, and cough. By supporting the downward energy flows, sleep can improve as overactive thoughts are calmed, and libido can be restored as a result of better movement of energy to the reproductive organs. If you want to address the underlying energetic dysfunction associated with physical illness and unhappiness, try wearing healing gemstones. They're Earth's gift to us for addressing that very purpose. My name is Isabel Morton. I'm the founder of the Gemstone Therapy Institute. I invite you to learn more about blue-green fluorite, carnelian, and citrine, and our system's approach for selecting the right gemstone for you. See the links in the information box below this video screen, and best wishes on your journey to greater health. Follow the links in the information box below this video to learn more.